If you ask a traveler what food surprised them most in Japan, many will say ramen, sushi, or tempura. But ask someone who's lived here a while, and the answer often changes. Because once you discover okonomiyaki, it becomes something different. Not just food, but an experience. A sizzling iron grill, a stack of ingredients, and the smell of savory batter caramelizing on hot steel. It's part pancake, part comfort food, part cultural ritual. And depending on where you are in Japan, it can be completely different. Today on Japan Hacks, we're diving into one of Japan's most beloved dishes. How it's made, how locals eat it, and how the style changes dramatically between Kanto, Kansai, and Kyushu. Because understanding okonomiyaki is understanding Japan itself. The word okonomiyaki is actually very simple. It roughly translates to cook what you like. Okonomi means what you like, or what you prefer, and yaki means grilled. Put them together and you get something like grilled the way you like it. And that's exactly what okonomiyaki is. At its core, it's a savory pancake made from a batter of flour, eggs, shredded cabbage, and dashi broth. From there, toppings can include pork belly, seafood, squid, shrimp, cheese, mochi, noodles, or even kimchi. Once grilled, the pancake is topped with a rich sweet savory okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, dried seaweed flakes called onori, and katsuobushi, thin shaved bonito flakes that appear to dance in the rising heat. But the beauty of okonomiyaki is that no two regions make it the same way. In fact, depending on where you are in Japan, the dish can look almost completely different. And locals are fiercely loyal to their regional style. Let's start with the version many travelers encounter first. Kanto style. In the Kanto region, home to Tokyo, the okonomiyaki experience is often interactive. Many restaurants serve the ingredients raw, and customers cook the pancake themselves. It's part cooking lesson, part dinner. First, a bowl arrives at your table. Inside is shredded cabbage, flour batter, egg, and whatever toppings you ordered. You mix everything together. Then pour the mixture onto the hot teppan grill. Spread it into a thick round pancake. And wait. This is where patience matters. Okonomiyaki needs time to crisp. After a few minutes, you slide a metal spatula underneath and flip it. Once both sides are golden brown, it's time for the finishing touches. First comes the thick okonomiyaki sauce. Then zigzags of Japanese mayonnaise. Then onori seaweed powder. And finally, the signature topping, katsuobushi, those thin bonito flakes. As heat rises from the pancake, the flakes move and wave as if alive. It's one of the most mesmerizing food moments in Japan. Finally, the pancake is cut into small squares with the spatula and eaten directly from the grill. No plates needed. Just spatula to mouth. Simple, hot. Perfect. But if you travel west to Osaka, everything changes. If Tokyo treats okonomiyaki like a DIY experience, Osaka treats it like an art form. Kansai-style okonomiyaki, especially in Osaka, is the most famous version of the dish. And many locals believe it's the best. Unlike Tokyo, where customers cook the food themselves, Osaka chefs usually prepare the dish for you. But the biggest difference is how the ingredients are mixed. In Kansai style, everything goes into the batter at once. Flour egg, dashi cabbage, green onion, tempura crumbs, and toppings like pork or seafood. Everything is thoroughly mixed before it ever touches the grill. The batter is then shaped into a thick pancake and cooked slowly on the teppan. Pork belly slices are often placed on top while it cooks. As the fat renders, it soaks into the pancake, creating incredible flavor. Once flipped and cooked through, the chef brushes on okonomiyaki sauce, adds Japanese mayo, sprinkles onori, and finishes with dancing bonito flakes. But what makes Osaka special isn't just the food. It's the atmosphere. Okonomiyaki restaurants in Osaka are loud, lively, and social. Friends gather around grills, drinks flow, and conversations bounce across the room. Because in Osaka, food isn't just about eating. It's about sharing. But there's one more regional twist worth discovering. Kyushu style. Kyushu doesn't have a single dominant okonomiyaki style like Osaka. Instead, the region blends influences from Kansai cooking with local ingredients. Seafood plays a bigger role. Squid, shrimp, and octopus often appear in Kyushu versions of the dish. Some places even incorporate local specialties like mentaiko, spicy cod roe, especially around Fukuoka. Another subtle difference is texture. Kyushu okonomiyaki often leans lighter and less dense than Osaka's thick pancake. Cabbage is sometimes chopped finer, and the batter may be thinner. The result is a slightly crispier, more delicate dish. Many Kyushu restaurants also pair okonomiyaki with regional drinks. Shochu is especially popular. A smooth distilled spirit made from sweet potato, barley, or rice. Combined with hot food and lively conversation, the experience becomes something uniquely Kyushu. But no matter where you eat it, the ingredients remain the heart of the dish. So let's look closer at what goes into making okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki may look complicated, but its ingredients are surprisingly simple. The foundation is cabbage. Lots of it. Shredded cabbage creates the structure and lightness of the pancake. Next comes the batter, usually made from flour, eggs, and dashi broth. Dashi, Japan's famous soup stock made from kelp and bonito, adds umami flavor to the batter. Tempura crumbs are often added for crunch. Green onions add freshness. And then come the toppings. Pork belly is the classic choice, but seafood lovers often choose shrimp or squid. Some restaurants even offer cheese, mochi, or kimchi. And of course, no okonomiyaki is complete without its toppings. The sweet savory okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, onori seaweed powder, and katsuobushi flakes. Each one adds texture, aroma, and depth. Eating okonomiyaki is a little different than most meals. Instead of plates, the food often stays on the hot grill. You cut pieces with a small metal spatula and eat directly from the teppen. It's casual, social, and slightly messy. But that's part of the charm. Beer is a common pairing, as is highball, whiskey with soda. And the entire experience feels less like dining and more like a shared cooking event. For travelers visiting Japan, trying okonomiyaki is almost mandatory because it captures something unique about Japanese food culture. Simple ingredients, cooked carefully, shared with friends. From the interactive grills of Tokyo, to the legendary street food culture of Osaka, to the seafood-influenced variations of Kyushu, okonomiyaki is more than a savory pancake. It's a reflection of regional identity, and one of the most enjoyable meals you can have in Japan. So next time you visit, find a small local restaurant, sit down at the grill, mix your ingredients, flip your pancake, and experience one of Japan's most delicious traditions. Because sometimes the best meals are the ones you cook yourself.